Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, thanks so much for having me here. I'm Mary Ajayi. I'm a graduate of nursery and primary education, meaning that
Wow.
yes, I was fully education. I'm a fully educationalist, and I have 10 years experience of teaching. So I've been teaching far back to 2014 and all of that. So
Mm.
I transitioned into tech in 2021. I was doing a lot of coding stuff, and as you said, that died along some along the line. It died there. But then currently, apart from not having the tech background, right, I'm currently a cloud DevOps engineer, right? Majorly a
Mm.
freelancer. I do freelance jobs, just like Mr. Ifeanyi said, like this gives you the chance to like select
Mm.
what job you want to do. Because I got a lot of opportunities
Mm.
at some point. I'm like, oh, because I'm married with kids, I wasn't really coping with the USA time zone, right? So I just branched to freelancing where I
But you
get
should
to
have given me the jobs now. Me, I'm a man. No.
I actually did it.
Eh?
To be fair. I actually did it because of the contract role. But after I completed it, I was just like, I'm not sure I really want to do another.
To continue with this. Mm.
Yeah.
So you
So
see, so while others are praying that they will earn these dollars, you
I
got the
still earning
job
the dollar. I'm still
for how
earning
much?
the
How
dollar.
many months? How many months did you do the work?
Yeah. It was 3 months. It was 3 month contract role, right? I was to set up their Google Cloud platform
Okay.
and
Mm.
also managing the platform. So it was a contract role. And so apart from that, now I'm still doing a lot of freelance gigs. So with the freelance
Mm.
gig, I don't need to like report like full time. So I still get to do
Mm.
the job. So majorly it's
Okay.
the result. Yeah. So apart
Interesting.
from being a freelancer, cloud DevOps engineer, I also have a platform. I'm also self-employed. I have a platform I just launched whereby it's a blog website where I just inspire people, mentor people,
Mm.
and how to like go on the cloud DevOps journey. So it's been really a
Interesting.
great experience for me, right? Okay,
Wonderful.
let me just jump into how I got to know about digital consulting. Because first, like I said, I
Digital.
transitioned,
Exactly.
yeah, like I said, I transitioned 2021. I transitioned to tech. I was
Mm.
doing web development. But then at some point after 1 year, everything just crumbled, and I'm like, I couldn't continue for like 1 year plus until I came across Digital's ad on Facebook, right, on Microsoft 365 technical support. So I joined the training, I joined the webinar, I listened to everything, and I knew deep down I wanted to do cloud. I wanted to do cloud computing. I wanted to do DevOps. And there was something about the coding that was really time consuming for me. I just did not want to do web development and have to code, big developer and all of that. So I ventured
Mm.
into cloud computing and DevOps with Digital. All right. So it was really a wonderful experience because I know I had to like chat. I was so persistent because I really wanted to learn it. So I actually joined the program November and the cohort already started in September.
Mm.
I was told that I should wait for the next cohort, but I was like, no, 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 I really want to learn this. I don't want to wait. And I actually went
Mm.
all in day and night. I ensured that I took all of because the thing with digital, we have live classes, right? We do live classes and they're all recorded. So with the recording sessions, I was able to take all of them. So that was in speed to what they were currently doing at that time in the cohort. So
Mm.
yeah, I went on to do that, studied, I did everything, right? From assignment, building my portfolio, and 1 month in, I started getting opportunities, right? I started getting
Wow.
opportunities. Yeah, I got opportunity to be a teaching assistant at Agita, which was very good at propelling me forward, right? And
Mm.
also I got some opportunities too, right, where I had to like work remotely for a Ghana
Mm.
company. And then I worked remotely, so it was a contract role as well,
Sorry
whereby
to
I had
cut you.
to,
Sorry,
yeah,
that's one of the things I was telling the people.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
we all talk about US company, UK, Australia, but in recent times, I've started to tell people that a lot of African countries are recruiting Nigerian tech talents
Mm-hmm.
massively, and people need to look into Ghana, Rwanda, Uganda, South Africa, Kenya. So you can continue. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So basically, with the Ghana company, it was an internal project they had wanted to do. They wanted to just build a Git infrastructure within the company. So I just took on the role, even though I was still learning at that time. I just had to like go really extra to learn more. And because of the classes were structured in such a way that you get to know the basics and all of that. So I was able to catch up, learn extra, and I got the job done. And it's been a really great experience so far. Yeah. Yeah,
Mm.
it's been wonderful. I'm so glad
Interesting.
I actually took
Mm.
the took the step.
Okay. So now everybody that came tonight, they've been talking about the teacher. So I want you to talk about the career coaching sessions. And for our viewers, so here's the way Ajayi'S does our training. You attend the classes Saturdays and Sundays. That's the technical class, which is 6 o'clock to 6:30, 8:30, 2.5 hours. At time might be 3 hours. Classes are recorded. Classes are live classes recorded. Then once in 2 weeks, there's the career coaching classes with Coach Raphael. He's a very highly experienced professional in the cloud industry. He has worked across many continents. So these ones they are babas in the cloud, right? He's a Microsoft valuable professional too. So on Thursdays, once in 2 weeks, he takes the career coaching sessions where you learn things like CV revamp, job opportunities, Upwork mastery, visa coaching, certifications, all this, anything to just help you to transition. He shares job opportunities, internships too. So, Mary, I just want you to share your experience with the career coaching sessions because everybody has spoken about the technical classes. So, what can you say about the career coaching sessions?
For the
Yeah.
career coaching session, or usually Coach Trevor has a way of freaking everybody's conscience. He always goes on to say, you know, the why, like your why is very important. Like the reason for enrolling in this course, you have to like still hold on to your why so that you can keep pushing. Because to be sincere, there are times whereby you get some blockers, things might be tough while you're learning. And good thing is there is teaching assistants in Ajayi'S that could actually help you after class when you're stuck, right? So with them, you can for me, right, I contact my teaching assistant, they help me get back on track. But just that there are some times whereby there are some struggles, and if you're able to just keep pushing, right, and not giving up regardless, even if you're trying to get the role, it's not coming yet, don't give up, right? With Mr. Raphael, he puts us through, he gives us vouchers to write exams. Yeah, with Mr. Raphael's voucher, I've written a lot of exams and passed. I have GitHub Foundation, GitHub Actions, GitHub Administration, even for Google Cloud as well. All right, I have all of those certifications, which were shared at the career coaching session. So apart from building the technical skills, Coach Rafa has a way of putting us through the career world, what to expect when we start working as a cloud engineer, right? So majorly he puts us through how to build our portfolio, how to revamp our LinkedIn page, how to apply for a job. He sends us links as well. So it actually puts us through on how to actually transition to tech, right, to get the career of our choice. So it's really been a great experience, and yeah, it's always fun to it's always fun to do with him, really. Yeah.
Cool. So, because of our time, Abid will be joining us. So I just have this last question. So everybody has been saying, oh, you can transition without the tech background, So we've agreed on that. So how do you think Ajayi'S helps students who don't have a tech background to become cloud gurus within just 6 months? So I've asked, is it possible? So the Wisdom has answered that, Mr. Ifeanyi has asked. So how do you think Ajayi'S makes it possible?
Yes, I'm going
How
to
does
say
Ajayi'S do it?
yes. I'm
Yeah.
going to say first on my experience on this self-taught. Like, there's YouTube where you think you can just go on YouTube and learn everything. It gets confusing because there are different perspectives to these things. Like this person's opinion might not tally with this opinion. Like that in cloud, really, there are two or more ways to get things done in the cloud if you want to provision things. Right? So it can really get confusing. But with Ajayi'S, right, there's already a roadmap that ensures that you get the skills from the beginning, right, from the basics. It's actually progressive, like what Wisdom said earlier, right? It was easier, it started getting harder, stronger. So basically, with that kind of guide, it's sure that you can do it because it actually tailors for your experience as no tech background. So it already covers for that, and you're just going to integrate and learn more as you go with the roadmap. So it's awesome. You can definitely achieve it in 6 months. I did.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mary. My regards to the family and
All right,
to
thank
your
you.
kids that will not allow you to do the US job
Yes,
that you
please.
got. I'm just kidding. Have a
Yeah,
wonderful
yeah,
time.
fine.
Yeah,
Awesome. Thank you
bye.
so
Yeah,
much. Yeah,
you're
thanks.
welcome.
Bye.
Yeah. So because of our time, Valentine, we might have to take you maybe